Hi, today we are just discussing about the GS3 paper, one of the very important topics in GS3. It is regarding the current affairs related topics. Goods trade barometer, there is no comma in goods. Goods trade barometer. What is goods trade barometer? It's actually related, the term which is related to WTO, that is World Trade Organization. It is a composite leading indicator for world trade. So it is an indication of world trade. So what is the main objective of the indicator? It is actually indicating the trend of the trade, the world trade, whether it is going upside or its downside and all. Provides real-time information on trajectory of merchandise trade. So in merchandise trade, what is the trajectory, whether it is towards like up or whether the trajectory is going down. So basically it's about the trend of the world trade, which can be traced through the composite index, goods trade barometer. Value, there is a value which is given like 100. Value above 100 is kind of the expansive trend, where above trend expansion is showing in the world trade. Value below 100, you can see that when value is below 100, the trend is, the growth or the trade expansion trend is below trend growth is shown. So just you have to remember what is goods trade barometer. This is this composite leading indicator for world trade, which is actually the indicator of World Trade Organization WTO, which depicts what? Trade expansion.